If you want to set up app timers on Samsung Galaxy A27, then first of all we need to open the settings. Over here in settings, you want to scroll down and you want to find digital well-being and parental controls. We want to go over here, then you should be able to find the app timers section, and you might even find some examples that you can of course use if you want to. But essentially you can tap on the tile itself in order to create your own timer. So you can go to apps and app categories, and you can choose which apps should be included for that timer. You can put multiple different apps into one timer, and that timer is shared between all of those selected apps. So let's say I'm gonna choose YouTube Music, I'm gonna also choose, I don't know, like calculator, and let's just tap on done. Then you can set up the name for the timer. So there we go. You can also tap on this icon that we have on the right side in order to customize it as well. So let's say I'm gonna choose something different over here. Then we have alerts, so you can decide when you want to be informed about, for example, the timer that is about to run out. And you can also create a schedule, so the timer can be used, for example, only for specific days of the week. That's up to you if you want to make it scheduled or if it should be just available every day, every time. And then you can tap on save. And there we go, we have our timer over here, which in my case is actually over. We can also tap on view app timer lists. And if you want to create another one, you can just use this plus here in the upper right corner. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.